Welcome to my channel An Easy Step to English Grammar. And today's topic of discussion is how to combine two or more than two simple sentences into one simple sentence by applying some methods. Then what are the methods? The methods are by applying participle, by applying absolute phrase or nominative absolute, by applying adverbs and adverbials, by applying preposition plus noun and preposition plus gerund, by applying noun in apposition or phrase in apposition. And all these methods can be applied to combine two or more than two simple sentences into one simple sentence, and these are the most valuable methods. And you may also use infinitive. Infinitive is also the most important method. However, let us discuss some methods. For example, my first example is Macbeth killed Duncan, the old king, and his purpose was to become the king of Scotland. Then how can you join? You may join in this way. Macbeth killed the old king Duncan to become the king of Scotland. So to plus present form of the verb is infinitive, to become. Clear? Or you may write Macbeth became the king of Scotland by killing the old king Duncan. So by is preposition and killing is gerund. So preposition plus gerund. Clear? Another example I am going to say it. The selfish giant spent 7 years with his friend, and after 7 years he came back to his own garden. Third sentence is he built a high wall all around his beautiful garden. Then how can you combine two or more than two simple sentences into one simple sentence? You may write, as the selfish giant is the same subject, you are at liberty to use participle. After spending 7 years with his friend, the selfish giant came back to his own beautiful garden, comma, building a high wall all around his beautiful garden. So the first one is preposition plus gerund, after having come back or after coming back, preposition plus gerund. And the last one is participle as effect. Clear? And my third example is a good book is your best companion. You must make a library of good books. Then how can you join it? You may join by using nominative absolute because the subjects are different. A good book being your best friend, comma, you must make a library of good books. Clear? Because here there are two subjects, a good book and you. Now my next example is the children were throwing stones at the frogs. They were taking pleasure in it. Then you may use preposition plus gerund. For example, The children were taking pleasure in throwing stones at the frogs. So in is preposition and throwing is gerund. Then I am giving you an example of adverb and adverbial. For example,